Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving into something that could honestly change the game for how you work with data inside Aras. You know that feeling, right? Where you're sitting on this absolute mountain of information, but getting the real answers you need feels like a huge struggle? Well, if that sounds familiar, you are definitely in the right place.
So let's just start with this simple question. You can find your data, no problem, but can you actually understand it? Really make sense of what it's telling you. You know the drill. You search for it, you find it, you pull it up on a grid, and then what? How do you bridge that gap from just seeing raw data to getting a real actionable insight?
And that brings us to what we call the data analysis gap. It's that frustrating space between finding what you're looking for and actually understanding it, all while staying inside the RS environment. It's a hurdle a ton of users have to jump over every single day. And here's the fundamental problem. On one hand, Aras has this incredibly powerful search. You can find pretty much anything you need. But on the other hand, once you have that list of results, trying to slice it, dice it, and analyze it on the spot, that's where things get tricky.
This is the wish we hear over and over again. If only I had the power of Excel, but right here, without having to leave the platform. That's really the dream, isn't it? The ability to filter, pivot, and see stats all natively. And that, right there, is exactly what we're going to talk about.
So, it's time to close that analysis gap for good. Let me introduce you to the Pivot Generator. Think of this as your new analytical powerhouse, built to live directly inside Aras. It's the answer to that call for Excel-like power, right where you work. To put it as simply as possible, the Pivot Generator gives you that Excel-style pivot table functionality you've been asking for right where you need it most. No more exporting, no more switching apps, just pure integrated analysis. So let's do a quick flyby of what it can do. First off, you can get to it from any search grid. You can group similar data in a snap, you can build out these really powerful analytical tables, apply filters based on any property you want, and the absolute best part, you do all of this without ever leaving Aras.
Okay, so how does it actually work? Well, this tool isn't just about raw power, it's designed to be easy to use. The best tools shouldn't need a giant instruction manual, right? This is all about giving you intuitive controls that just make sense.
And honestly, it really is this simple. Step 1, launch it from your search results. Step 2, just drag and drop the properties you care about. And Step 3, apply any custom filters you need to really focus on what's important. It's a super simple 3-step flow from a sea of data to a clear insight.
At its heart, the whole experience is built around drag and drop. It's so cool. You want to see parts grouped by their status? Just drag status over to the rows. Want to see that broken down by project? Drag project to the columns. You're literally building your analysis visually and discovering new connections with every single move.
And you have total precise control. Say you're analyzing parts, but you really don't want to see anything with a preliminary status cluttering up your view. No problem. You just find that value, click a checkbox, and poof, it's filtered out. It lets you clean up and focus your data set in seconds. All right, so you've dragged and dropped, you've arranged your data just how you want it. Now what? Well, this is where the real magic happens. This is where we turn all those numbers into meaningful summaries and, even better, really clear visuals. The Pivot Generator comes packed with some seriously powerful aggregate functions. You can instantly get a count of items, sum up costs, find an average cycle time, calculate the median, you name it. This is how you go from just having a long list of data to actually quantifying what it all means. And here's what that looks like in the real world. Let's say you use the count function on your parts, and you group them by status. You immediately get a simple, easy-to-read bar chart just like this. In seconds, you can see exactly how many of your parts are in each stage of their life cycle. No more guessing.
And you're not stuck with just 1 or 2 ways to see your data. You can visualize your findings as a classic table, a heat map to spot trends, bar charts for easy comparisons, line charts to track things over time, or pie charts for proportions. You get to pick the best way to tell the story your data is trying to share.
This is the key takeaway right here. Your search, your analysis, your insights, they can all finally happen on one single platform. It's all about making your work smarter, faster, and just plain easier. Just think about the difference. The old way was this clunky, multi-step headache, right? Search in RS, export the data, open up Excel, wrestle with building a pivot table, and then, finally, you might get an answer. The new way? Search and analyze. That's it. The time you save isn't just a little bit, it's enormous. So,
I'll leave you with this question to think about. With the power to instantly pivot, filter, and visualize your information right inside of Aras, what new insights are you going to uncover? What trends are you going to spot? What stories are just sitting there, waiting to be told in the data you work with every single day?